Welcome. Let's dive in and understand more about what AI is, as it exists today, and more importantly, how it works. By now, you probably don't give a second thought to the fact that your music streaming app knows what song you want to hear next, or the website that you're shopping on somehow recommends the perfect product to spark your interest. These recommendations are, at their essence, algorithms. And don't be afraid of that word. Ready for the easiest definition of algorithm you've ever heard? It's a set of rules, now albeit sometimes very complex rules, that computers follow. Like a massively intricate game of 20 questions. If an algorithm is trained well enough, it can become what we recognize as generative AI, which means it can actually engage in nuanced conversation, create images, and even videos. Okay, it's safe to say that for a lot of people, AI can be synonymous with dystopian sci-fi doom and gloom, and sci-fi books and movies haven't exactly given AI the most positive rep. Just know this, AI is an advanced algorithm, not a conscious thinking entity with original thoughts and actions. It only works when given instruction or permission by you. I hope you are excited about AI, but guess what? As of 2023, over 70% of people over the age of 45 were unsure if AI is good for society. So the point is, when you don't understand AI, you can easily view it as something different to what it really is. So what is it? Well, if you're chatting back and forth with AI, that's probably an LLM. You know how your phone can guess what word you want to type next? An LLM, or large language model, is essentially the same technology, but ramped up to 11. It generates words that are relevant to the subject or input that you gave it. I'm not even joking, that's fundamentally how it works. Then how does it seem so smart? It's all about the training. These LLMs are trained on vast data sets, including complete libraries of books, articles, and even websites. This is how these AI tools can understand and generate human-like language so efficiently. And versatility is key. These LLMs are being trained in an always growing suite of tasks like translation, summarization, Q&A, creative writing, and on and on and on and on. More abilities being added and discovered literally every single day. If this is sounding too technical, just remember, the use case scenarios for AI are just about as broad as the number of use case scenarios for any technology ever. Just think about that for a second. The number of times you would have liked an extra set of eyes on an email or Word document, the difference it would make to have a personal researcher do all the digging around about two different products you've been comparing, the last time you planned a big trip and how many websites, blogs, reviews, and apps you use to make an itinerary fit within your budget. These normal life scenarios are where these AI tools can shine brightest and have the strongest impact on our lives. All it takes is that you become familiar with how to use them. The AI we interact with, like Microsoft Copilot, has been trained on human behavior. Whenever someone isn't impressed with AI, it's often because they're treating it like a sci-fi robot instead of a nuanced algorithm that it really is. So it's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Look at how different the output is if I ask AI, top 5 weekend activities, versus if I ask it, I'm a busy dad and I want to have fun with my high energy kiddos this weekend. What are 5 things we should consider to have fun together? Curiosity, openness, and strong questioning skills go a long way. So AI isn't the matrix. It's a valuable tool to learn right now. You want to become an AI master in record time? It's easy. Here's how. The next time you start to search for something online, try using Copilot instead. That's it. Use it for your everyday tasks to start understanding the full scope of what it can help with. And if at first you don't succeed, explain to Copilot what it got wrong and let it try again. Have fun, stay curious, and get ready to save a lot of time in your day-to-day tasks. In our next AI Academy installment, we'll talk about how Microsoft has made a commitment to responsible AI principles. See you then.